death anniversary of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. We pay homage to him at this time. In paying homage to him, we light this candle in his honor. Dari klaim Ugadi. Apa ni?
So silang lah, silang.
Dari klaim huruf pasti. There is no word for us to fully thank our leader, Dr. Ambedkar. He gave us the Constitution of India and also the sixth schedule to the Constitution of India for the oppressed classes, for the tribal people, for the tribes people of Northeast India. He worked not only for the tribes people of this land, but also he was an undisputed leader among the backward classes of India in fighting against the British, and thereby we achieved independence of India through leaders like Dr. Ambedkar. We remember and pay homage to him today. We thank everyone, including other leaders, for giving us this independence of India and the Constitution of India. We thank those members of the Constituent Assembly who sat there from 1946 to 1949 till the Constitution was declared on 26 November 1949. Because of this Constitution and because of the sixth schedule that has been given to our tribes people of Northeast India, we are being protected. Now it is our turn. Now it is our duty to fully implement the sixth schedule and to restore its power to the original position. It has been diluted in many ways. In the name of making it stronger, it has been made weaker. We are here now to fight jointly to restore the power of the sixth schedule for the development and progress and protection of the hill tribes of, now it is not only hill tribes but the plain tribes of Assam and other parts of Northeast India.
Yes, as Mr. Qatar has said, today we cannot thank enough, we cannot thank fully to Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. Today, on his 64th death anniversary, we can only light candle, we can only pay tribute to him. And then today we promise that the Constitution as enacted, as framed from the beginning, we will try to restore, we will try to gain those powers as framed in the beginning. Had there not been Mr. Ambedkar, our constitution, as we talk about equality, there would not have been equality as we talk about a constitution. Because without giving special provisions to the oppressed class, the Indian society cannot achieve equality. It is because of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, the Indian society could achieve the special provisions for the oppressed class, and for the northeastern tribals, it is because of JJM Nichols Roy. He is a staunch supporter of special provisions for the tribes of Northeast India. He advocated strongly for the protection of the tribes of Northeast India, and then his advocacy was supported by Bhimrao Ambedkar. So that is why till today tribes of Northeast India is protected. But sadly, it is because of the fault of our elected representatives. Our own people did not understand the constitution, so we have to face these consequences. But then today, we promise that we will learn thoroughly. We will learn thoroughly. We will read paragraph by paragraph, word by word, and understand the constitution fully, and we will protect our people as aimed by the framers of the constitution. Thank you.
I want to add something more. For those who have come late, we belong to the All Party Hill Leaders Conference, the APHLC, which was founded by leaders like Captain W.A. Sangma, who was the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya, and like Professor G.G. Swell, B.B. Lingdo, S.D.D. Nichols Roy, Darwin Pugh, and so many others, including my father, Basa Intikathar, who were there in 1960 to form the APHLC. The APHLC now, it is of Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao districts. 3 districts. We have in 3 districts APHLC. We are fighting for restoration of the 6th schedule to its original strength, and also for establishing of an autonomous state for Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, either separately or jointly, under paragraph 20 of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. And we say all these things because without Reverend J.J.M. Nichols Roy and without Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, this 6th schedule to the Constitution of India would not have been there, and we would not have been protected. We are protected. Many people say that 6th schedule should be abolished because there should be equality of all India under paragraph 14, 15, 16, article 14, 16, article 14, 15, 16 of the Constitution of India. But they used to omit article 19, where it is said that for hill people, for hill tribes people, other constitutional facility provision can be created. Other law to attain equality actually. 6th schedule has been made to make us become equal to the other parts, to the people of other parts of India. It is not for this inequality, but it was made for enabling us to attain equality with the rest of India.
Aling bening.
Ni kipugang tung la pohelo pini ke Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ki tiarnilo ningkan trop kep rapi aprang 1956 aningkan si alangli kacevoy alangli pen pete ilitum la 6 schedule long le dia podlo alangli ha constituent assembly along drafting committee a chairman la pen alangli fan ke rabdun warat abang ke Reverend JJM Nichols Roy la ke ilitum kadoi ta chini horlo la si pini Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar ki tiarnilo pusi hang le nelitum APHLC All Party Hill Leaders Conference atum thang le claim tek thesita nelitum ning aklong pen ning mesen pen alang liphan amman ki pc la melur keila la son hak thaksi karbiatum an la pen inglong asotum anta aning cedodam thulo cema tha thulo pusintum groilo ilitum sik schedule ke bang akhe tum ke chiatum pulo sik schedule ke lake India asotum phan paching bar be akam sige claim ka paching bar be a rot pusige pulo seta abinong ke ilitum papi olang aposi amunita ilitum a gyana bangke papi pe a ron ke tekpi ne bangta papi pe seta ilitum amunit ong eo a pai ong eo lapen economically mane iki adat anatuke ilitum papi piglan lapot si India akaprek akhe tumlong kapaching bar dunjia phansi la sik schedule ke kibi lage kapaching bar be phan gali kapaching bar ji phansi sik schedule kibi la bang ilitum ning do verning ampen la so kam ke claim ke Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar la pen la phan ke rabdun vek ke Reverend JJM Nichols Roy la si pini nelitum thang le tek kesita All Party Hill Leaders Conference atum APHLC atum alang li phan chema tha thulo la melur keisi
Ni yang belum.
nan bo bodi ini bang mom ke ta mi ori kan pata ol
Kapeo handle apa yang orang tu lah.
ke hak mo ben nang ilis kamelo lai ke ren anta ke lo to
Lah tahu mau apa. Satan.